Also, on the TV portion of the radio, it has an echo in the uh, sound, and you can't get rid of the echo. It's there all the time whenever it's working. There's something wrong with the TV because in the beginning it worked just fine, and then about probably 6 months into it, it started getting this echo, and you can't get rid of it. So here you go. Here, listen to it.
I need to be cool. For me, having something that's an architect odd and repurposing it something else and giving it another function, it's just brilliant.
I am so working right now. And there is okay, it is highly creative with incredible ideas. The don't fix us and they don't know what to do, and that could be the problem for us. If money access the
Also, the other TV stations, it won't pick them up. For whatever reason, there's like 4 or 5 other stations that I could choose to watch, but none of those work. I don't know why they don't work, but they don't work. You can be driving anywhere in your car, in the city, anywhere that you want to go, and they do not work. Only one station works, the one that we were just watching. It works. All the other ones don't work. So I don't know why that's like that. It's showing bad signal, but, you know, I find that hard to believe. I really think there's something wrong with it. Maybe the antenna's bad. I don't know. That's your engineer needs to tell me what's wrong with it. Anyway, that's it. I need y'all to figure out what's wrong with it, and if I can, I want to send it back and get it repaired. It's still under warranty until sometime in August. It's got a 1-year warranty on it. Please let me know what you'd like to do about this. It's today's spring cocoa column. It's made with 70 digest joint dishes and delicious dishes you can create at home. The guys are just dance and cook them on the model today. And I'm so wake up to me and take off the